Hey. Well, if you guess and it's me, you guess correctly. I just stay with a stallion. You would swear I was an equestrian. I'm a hitter with that pipe. Call that Nancy Kerrigan. Stay on the greenest greens. Call us vegetarians. You be on that minor league, but we smoke professional.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's Excuses, and this game. Oh god. Okay, I found it in my game cabinet while I was digging, and I've seen videos on it before. And then I was like looking through games because I didn't know which ones to pack, which ones to keep out, and I found this, and I was like, oh great, let's play this. So we're gonna play some Lollipop Chainsaw, apparently. If my controller will work, there we go.
Let's go!
Oh god. Oh, I've seen videos on this, but I can't even remember anything about it, mostly. I believe those are lollipops, considering the name. At first I thought they were maracas. I'm like, what? This is not Spanish. Oh, I guess we do have to watch this cutscene.
Welcome to my bedroom. Don't think that me letting you in here is an invitation for any funny stuff. I mean, not that I have a problem with funny stuff. Especially not if you really like the person. But that isn't what I wanted to talk about. Today is, as they say in Spain, my
Although it looks like that bunny kind of got beat up.
That's right, my birthday. I'm 18 today. These are my girls on the San Romero cheer squad. We've gone to the Nationals 3 years in a row.
Are those dinosaurs in the background of them?
Yet.
I think so.
To keep my energy up, I eat lollipops.
It's not good for your teeth.
I know what you're thinking. I'm getting so fat, but they're so yum. This is my family. My older sister Cordelia won a gold medal in riflery last year, and she has a lot of secret meetings with guys I think are college scouts. My little sister Rosalind just got her license, which makes me kind of think the DMV are idiots. My girlfriends say my dad is a total dilf, but try as they might, they could never come between him and my mom. She is so cool. It's because of her, my sisters and I all wear our vaginas.
What?
God, she and my dad love
Oh my
so
god, this
much.
game.
Speaking of true love,
Well, they are dinosaurs. There's like stegosauruses or whatever behind him.
it F's me up how much I really like him. My family's throwing me a birthday party after school. Nick is totally freaked out having to meet my family for the first time. But I'm even more freaked out for him to find out about my family. Because even though they're the most amazing ever, some of our traditions are a little...
Ooh, jujitsu,
unusual.
punch other zombies in the face.
Nick's already so sweet to never complain about my ginormous fat butt. If he finds out I'm the #1 world's biggest weirdo, he might not stick around.
Well, that sucks.
I'd be
Zombie.
so sad. I think I'd seriously cry.
Look at them zombies.
forever.
They're everywhere.
Oh no! I'm totally late! I was supposed to meet him before school.
I actually have no idea if I was supposed to be able to cut this or not. Like,
I hope
skip
Nick
it.
isn't mad. That's about the
Although
worst
honestly,
thing
I didn't
that
want to skip
could
it.
ever happen.
Tee-hee. Zombies. Okay. Difficulty, what difficulty we're on? We'll play on easy because I'm a chicken. As it shows right there, look, chicken. Game start. Do boo ba doo boo doo. As you increase the game difficulty, the zombies that appear and lollipop locations change. So I'm guessing easy means less zombies and more lollipops, and then it just switches every time. Collect zombie medals to buy stuff. Buy rare items with platinum medals. Platinum medals. How do we get platinum medals? I like buying rare things. It's like rare candies and Pokemon. Oh, hello. Oh, duh. How do you not, like, I mean, you're going to school, how do you not, like, have a problem with this? By the way, anybody who watches my videos that is on my friends list knows about, like, they see me online playing this right now. Yeah. Oh, let's do this. Oh, I didn't even get to fight him? Damn. Oh, ah, that's just... Oh, really? I should probably look at this game case again, cause, oh, well, what the hell? What just happened? Oh god. Oh, 3 and oh. Alright. If anybody wants to stop and read that biography that just showed up on the screen, go ahead.
This is so irritating.
Ooh, zombies. Number of lollipops you can hold decreases at higher difficulties. Oh, okay. How do we spin? That's okay, that's it. Let's jump. Okay, so that looks like quick hit. That's like hard hit, and then that's like stunning or something. Oh no, that's quick hit. Okay. Oh my god. Boom. Oh, those are they're dead. Oh, that sucks.
Jeez, it sucks when things explode. I need to find Nick.
Palm bashes, chainsaw attacks. Okay.
How to cook zombies? Awesome!
Wow, yeah, cool. There you go. Dang. MLG Pro cheerleader. I'm a cheerleader. Come on. Kick. Oh. Hey. Oh, zombies can jump. Ah, okay, I'm just getting beat up now. I'm out of here. Wow. Oh my god. Stop hitting me. Die. Decapitation. Up. No. Dang. Okay, these teenagers obviously suck at fighting. Just really high schoolers. Oh, crap. Kills I'm ready to kill. Okay.
Hold it right there, you zombie.
Isn't this kid already dead though? Because he just got bit. I mean, wouldn't he already be dead? I don't understand. Although this is really cool. Okay. Wow. Oh what? I'm gonna do that again. Hey. Is that it? Oh.
Awesome. I'm still alive.
Yeah, but you got bit. How are you not dead?
Hey, zombie medals.
I don't understand.
Really quick one. Need you to be
That's good 1 out of 3.
Be careful.
Well, bye now. I saved you. Oh god.
Whoa, zombies suck dick.
Oh my god. I mean, you don't expect to hear that stuff from the game. Go. I don't mind this game at all. It's actually kind of fun to play, although I should probably change the controls. Oh god.
Your license should be revoked, bro.
I'll rip out your teeth.
Oh
My
great.
god.
This isn't gonna be as easy as I thought. Hey, her! Don't be looking
Oh
over
my
my skirt.
god. This game is, okay, go in here. Oh. Jump over you. Anybody else? No? Oh, right there. We're gonna jump. Boom. Oh.
Just don't move. I'll take care of him. No big whoop.
My god, it even... Gotta kill on the zombies. I'll save it. Oh, get up. zombie get on me? Ow. Can't tell they're attacking me because like there's so many of them. Success. 2 out of 3. Almost. By the way, I don't plan on making this a series. I'm just gonna play this for a little bit. I don't know. Oh my god! If you guys want to see more of this, let me know. This is just, oh my god. Wait, the zombies can talk. I just realized that. Oh dang!
Come on!
I'm coming.
Wait for me.
Come to save you.
Hold on, I'm coming.
Wait, you gotta adjust camera angles like that. It covers it. That's funny. I wonder what the achievements are for this game. Come here. So you can stun them with that, apparently.
Yes!
What was that? I just saved you. What do you want?
My favorite president is Warren G.
Oh,
Harding.
okay. My favorite president is Warren G. Harding.
So bad to save somebody's life.
Well, we got these ones.
No.
See a whole new team of dead bastards incoming. Meet me up ahead.
Come on. Zombies. Zombies. Get away from him. I believe that my boyfriend is dead, so I need to save this guy. Yee. Oh, she doesn't know that her boyfriend is dead because he got eaten by zombies. Go get inside. Go. Oh. Oh, great. Oh. Oh, wow. Oh, okay.
Pop it!
Fuck off! Get away!
Oh my god, the song. Boom.
Wow! Sweet!
There's 3 more.
Cool!
Oh, this is great. Ooh, there's 3 more.
Okay! Cool!
What was I thought? I'm coming. Oh, I killed them all. Oh god. What the? Ooh, Matrix.
Need this for seconds.
I'm coming. Stop, why do you keep walking away from me? This guy's just like, I'm getting out of here. Okay. Oh. Ow, ow. I'll punch her in the face. Entered it. Where's the last one? Where's the last one at? Oh, there you are. Don't hit me. Bitch, I'll kick you in the face. There you go. Got it. Can I kick their faces or something? That'd be funny. Be like, kick it like I see on it. Oh, okay. Oh, I got an achievement for it.
Glad you made it, pilot dude!
How is he not dead? He's like all forbidden and stuff. Oh. Oh, the zombie climbed in. Oh, dang.
Oh no! He crashed over by
What? What is going on now? This.
Just a second.
Shit.
Hey, it's
Hold on,
Mom,
where did she even get her
Juliet.
chainsaw?
Hope you're taking care of yourself. Don't do anything stupid, okay?
She keeps her phone inside of her chainsaw. Oh, that's great.
Wow, now is the perfect time to do some shopping.
Actually, hold on. Shopping, I said. Be careful. Chop 2 shop locations are rare, so we should probably shop here. Shop. Okay. Let's buy stuff.
Time to shop.
Health and upgrades. How many platinum medals? 500 of these?
Click,
Oh, wait,
click.
that's how you buy stuff. Okay, I have 100 regular things. Magic beans. Well, that increases the health. Hold on, let's see. Awesome skills. Chainsaw stab. 2 good with a chainsaw thrust. Legend chain to death.
What should I get?
I think I'm gonna buy the magic beans.
What should I get? There it is. There it is. Let's go.
Wee. I believe you actually get an achievement for looking up her skirt, so let's just keep trying. I think she gives up eventually. Not sure. I'll try a couple more times, and if she doesn't give up, then I'll just be like, screw it. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this. This is, like, I mean, this game is ridiculous. Doesn't really do a very good job of covering herself, does she? But, I mean, this is a... Good God. If you guys want to see more of this game, let me know. I do believe you get an achievement for doing this. That's why I'm doing it. But, if not, I can look it up. Because I say, I saw it on Rooster Teeth, like you get an achievement for looking up her skirt or some shit. Good. She obviously doesn't want that to happen. She's not looking up. Okay, yeah, she doesn't want to. Okay. I'm just gonna stop it here. How do I save? I don't know. Alright, we're on the last checkpoint. Okay, and I know where the checkpoint is, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this. This is ridiculous. And yeah, I'll see you guys in whatever game I decide to do next, whether it be a Call of Duty commentary, Minecraft, whatever. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.